No, but I said it's top 2. Anyway, you can carry on. But I said it's top 2 because I wanted to see how this is done. Yeah, because it's up to slide. Okay, something is wrong, Miss Justin?
No, like I made an error, but I was trying to figure out why I made the error.
This is minus. There's a reason I took it to this side. Because that minus will change to plus. That's why when I did mine, I took the cost term to the other side. Why didn't you do the same? Erase those 3 or 4 steps and do that. If you know, sit properly. You're always sitting like that. Your table is not for decoration. Take all these things off the table and put your book on the table. And sit properly, just like everyone else. Not crossing your legs like you're in some VIP lounge at the airport. Thank you. So you may proceed to any other one if you finish this too. There's a reason I move this term to the right hand side. So you can have positive. Someone just made mistake because she did not bring it to this side. Take note. So don't just leave it here. Then she forgot this minus when she didn't take it there. Then also someone didn't label the angle. End up quoting maybe q squared for cos that is not q. Label the side and the angle first. Don't assume it's easy. Sometimes our brain can be tricky. These things happen, even to adults. Your brain tells you, oh, it's the right thing, but it's actually the wrong thing. So just follow the procedure. Yes, sir. I don't think so, because this looks like what everybody got. Except that, okay, you have your minus here. She did not move it, so she forgot the minus and ended up getting something that doesn't make sense to us. So, but you have your minus. But who knows when you make the mistake? That's why I will advise that you always, from this step, take this to this side, so it is automatically positive. Then you leave this here and take that to the other side, so it's easier not to have error. Okay? Yes, ma'am. Yeah, this is perfect. This is correct. Thank you. Okay? This label, substitute, go through the steps, and do the right thing. Now, I don't want Q is equal to. Guys, one of the ways that student presents something that is not acceptable to me is, and should not be acceptable to anyone in the world, is getting 3 is equal to x. What is this? What kind of last step is this? Did I tell you to find 3?
No.
Find x. Why did you say 3 is equal to x? Who's asking you for 3? If I say, what's your name? Say, my name is. Do you normally say, oh, Jenny is my name? Rather, you start by saying, my name is. So stop putting your variable on the right-hand side. It's not proper. It might be correct, but it doesn't look nice. Of course, people can say, oh, call me this. So is my name. But it's not the way we do things normally. It's like an informal way of making a conversation. But when you're writing a letter, do you say, dear Mr. Daniel, Manuela is my name? Do you write like that? Oh, my name is Manuela. Right? Any problem? So if you have been able to solve at least 2, then we are good to look at the application. So I want everybody to solve at least 2, even though some people are already solving 4. Mr. Tomash is so fast this morning. It's like Fast and Furious 12. I think we're supposed to watch, is it 10 or 11? This
Didn't it come out?
9? Was it 9? I thought we were 10 already.
Came out, right?
No, 9 came out like last
There's always a special version.
Last Wednesday.
Yeah, 9.
It's already here, Macau?
Yeah.
Huh?
Can I go what?
Yes. Who's coming? We can go as a group.
No, it's not a good movie.
We can go as a group. Who's coming?
It's too expensive.
What do you mean expensive? How much?
I'm broke.
How much is it?
It's like
I don't know, but it's expensive.
It's usually like 100 mop, dude.
Yeah, I'm broke.
So that's expensive. I didn't get to come to this school if you're broke.
I don't know, my parents are coming.
Exactly. So get the ticket from them. Come to the cinema, dude.
I'll get a sponsor.
it's only Vin Diesel. Everyone else is gone.
What do you mean it's only Vin Diesel?
No,
Dwayne Johnson's not in the
left,
movie.
Fast and
The
Furious.
other guy isn't there.
Maybe he's still coming back. The guy that died in 3. The
Because
guy
Vin
that
Diesel got in a fight with Dwayne Johnson. He said they're never working again.
Oh!
he's not working on Fast and Furious anymore.
No,
No!
not that. They're not working together anymore. Like,
They don't want to.
Well, like they have beef or something.
Yeah.
They have beef.
Come on, put your beef aside and show us some movie.
Hollywood's about
Dude, he's doing
strong
some
bald
sort of
men, man.
superhero movie, right?
Shazam, Black Adam. Yeah.
No!
Okay, let's welcome Cosine Row. We'll deal with the Fast and Furious guys later. Thank you very much. But seriously, we should go see Fast and Furious together. Who is in? Let's arrange a time and a day and let's go together. Okay?
I watched the
Jody,
movie.
can you organize what time is better for everyone?
Oh, I know
Okay,
that.
and let me know.
Statham was
Then we can all sit together.
Don't remember.
Okay. Yes.
Sing it.
What?
Or just like remote in one to your face.
Do
Do it in front of the camera. Should do it then.
Yes. How many have you done? Ah, go fast, bro. I call it theta. After the first formula, the next you have cos theta. Because the angle is called theta in the question. So the first one is formula. From the second step, you call it cos theta, cos theta, cos theta, cos theta. Look, x is theta, right? This is your formula. From the second step is substitute. So you're supposed to substitute x is theta from line 2. That's what I'm saying. Oh, that's a lot of work. Good job. What's going on, Gordon? You only have 1 month on it.
Yeah, it's just a ton of decimal.
Because you did not label. Even right now, you didn't label. You're supposed to label first. And your label will tell you how to write your cosine rule. Label first, and your label will tell you how to write the cosine rule. Yes, sir. Okay. It's error. Yeah, because 131 is more than that. So you're not supposed to have
Yeah,
that.
we're the same.
See, again, you're supposed to, see, if you go too fast, you make mistake. When I wrote this, did I just jump from here to here? I took my time to multiply this out. I took my time to add these two. I can't see that in your book. So these are some of the little places where you make mistakes. So that's one thing that could have led to the mistake. Now let's assume that is correct. This is minus. It should have been plus when it comes here. And these two are already here. So that's why you should have added them first. Please, look at what you did here. This is perfect. You multiply this, you got this. You added these two, you got that. Why didn't you do the same here? That's why. You see, this is supposed to be plus. You call them minus. Why? They are not the one moving. Why are they minus? On your right hand side, you already have these two. Just like on your right hand side, you already have this. So why is it minus? So you need to stop. Even the way you move this is confusing. Now you are not able to be consistent with your solution. So please erase this and follow a neat, less confusing approach. Erase maybe the last 3 steps. Mr. Juvino, you have work to do. Sit up and get your work done. Actually, we should have a break of about 3 minutes. Okay, if anyone has done at least 2, you can step out, have a break. the applications should be easier. You can try them first on your own. If you have any questions, you can bring on Thursday. Because I'm going to discuss something else in the second period of the class. James, have you fixed it? Okay.
I put y as x.
Three sixes.
Is this on? Oh, this is on. Hello. It's on, right? Oh, it's on. Hello. Hello. I wish it was like fish lens, so like it would look distorted.
Every break, you're just like there in front of the camera.
You love the camera.
My desk is in front of the camera.
Hello.
Satisfaction and seeing you. This is great.
Yeah.
I guess satisfaction from getting this.
What?
Fish.
Hi.
Is it right?
Yes.
Remind me tomorrow. Okay. I'll call you at 5 a.m.
In the movie?
Go on.
Fish.
Is it back on real life?
Yeah, he go I thought all the more guys this year.
So like all this fun.
One decimal.
No, I studied like
No, I know.
Like 2.9 degrees.
She already
you
said hi.
started studying.
So that's why it was doing
She already
this focus
started.
thing.
130
Started studying sex ed.
This is also
For Ken?
one
This is
decimal.
already
No.
There's a
This is
sexy exam.
Wait, hi. Say hi.
You have 2 weeks.
So on.
Did you even do it?
Yeah, the thing to do it.
Hi, future me. You're
But
my
60
boss.
points.
That's so cringe, man. That's
Do it again. Say that again.
so cringe.
Tiago.
Pirate movies. That's like what is 1 plus 1? You said 2
Wait.
What about that?
Just make him awkward. Just put the camera on.
Mr. Daniel.
You're like 2.5.
What does that mean? How do you think people have questions?
I didn't have this. I'm doing 5.3, yeah? 5.3.
You did the same to Corinne. Okay.
That's like 5. Yeah.
I'm scared.
Hello, Mr. Tall. Hey, big boys, let's go.
Pythagoras theorem.
Okay, please suspend your cosine rule and let's discuss this. Then you have now until Wednesday or Thursday to practice this on your own. Okay, hopefully this one question will be sufficient. I could maybe take one more that is similar to what I have in the worksheet. And after which I leave you to your good luck solving. So let's solve this one. So I call this Pythagoras theorem and trigonometric in 3 dimensions. What we have been doing so far is just 2 dimensions. Okay? But in 3 dimensions, like in this room, how can we apply the Pythagoras theorem? Okay? If we can see right angle triangle, the Pythagoras theorem and the SOHCAHTOA can be applied. For example, look at this board. Okay, look at this board. I could say I want to find the length from this corner down here to the corner up there. Isn't that like the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle? Right? Where the right angle is by that corner, right? Right, talk to me. So once I know the height of this room and I know the length of this wall, I can actually find that thing that looks like a diagonal using Pythagoras theorem. So even in 3D, these things can be used. Okay? In this room, so basically you need to know 2 sides. Or you need to know the sides of the triangle. Basically, that's what we are trying to say. Now, again, look at this room. If I'm interested in the angle between this floor, again, the angle between this floor, horizontal floor here, and the plane from that corner where Tiago is sitting to that corner over there. So basically, I have this. Can the camera crew make sure everything we are doing is being captured?
Yes.
This is very important. So our room looks like this. Our classroom is going to look like that. Like a cuboid. Forget about our wall that has some curved parts. So let's pretend everything is this. Let's say this is what our classroom looks like. Now, Tiago is sitting somewhere here with his nice haircut. If you're interested in the angle between the horizontal floor and the corner, because this is where the body is, right? This is me right here talking to you right now, live. We're interested in the angle between the floor and that plane that connects these two. So that's like a line. That's like a line from this corner to that corner.